stick it in.
Oh, I was getting ready to get louder.
How far in do you stick the probe?
In the middle of the pipe.
Yeah, exactly. So roughly in the middle of the pipe. You don't want to be touching the...
Right now it's measuring positive 3.4.
Okay.
Wait, it's changed. Well, 3.
The negative 1.2 is what we want to be less than.
You want at least minus
It's on
5,
pressure,
right?
pressure?
It is on
Well, what was
pressure,
it? 1.2
pressure.
minus 1.2 is our...
Everybody come and take a look at the manometer for a
What are we
second.
measuring?
So we're measuring, well, all right. Say, what are we supposed to be measuring? We're supposed to be measuring the pressure inside there with reference to this room.
Right.
Is the manometer set up for that?
No, you need one on the top port right.
Right.
Or left.
Okay, remember, the top port is always, the top port
okay.
is a measurement, the top port is a measurement that you're going to be reading. Okay, that's going to show up on the
That will be
screen.
your baseline.
Exactly.
So we
Okay.
Not your reference.
We reference.
Yes.
So we need to move that
Okay.
to the top.
So we just saw, when she had it configured like this, we were getting about what? Positive 3, positive 4?
Yeah.
So it would be negative, basically the same thing.
It would be negative the exact same thing. Yeah. So, but that's a great
need to
lesson.
know. Yeah.
It's still, all this measures is the difference in pressure. All right. All that's going to happen when I switch the hoses is the sign's going to change. Okay. So it should be negative, 3 or 4-ish.
So what is it? Negative?
Minus 2.8. Minus 3.
And again, it's going to adjust a little bit. Negative 3.5, negative 4.
So we need to get an average.
Let's call it negative 4.0. It's stuck there for a little while.
But we are higher than the number we established, which was minus 1.2, right?
Yes.
Right.
So we're good.
Negative 0.4.
Right?
Then we've got, yes, exactly.
So we want to be
Past,
higher.
it passed draft.
More negative than your... What
Yeah.
you just
Right.
Right, because remember, the more negative it is, the more force. So a lot of people say, well, is it a bigger number or is it a smaller number? It's tough to think about in those terms when we're dealing with negative versus positive.
It's sucking more. Just think about this.
Exactly.
Sucking more.
The more negative, the better it is.